Good morning, class 8, with the new chapter, the understanding the laws. What do you mean by laws? Rules and regulations to which the country rule or run. Do laws apply to all? Yes. Under the Constitution, equality is the basic right in India. Each and every citizen treated equally. All laws apply to each and everyone from president to the level of the nation ruled with the same kind of rules. You wondered that the former Prime Minister of India, P.V. Narasimha Rao, he had to reach the court on the basis of the appeal against him in the famous case of Tantrik Chandraswamy. So the laws apply for all. Each and every person treated equally on the basis of law. So you understood that rules and regulations apply to how do new law came about. New law came about with the permission of Parliament. The topics which is related to the welfare of all people, they were presented in front of parliamentary dais. In question hours, these points discussed. After discussion of these points, voting, and if the voting ratio gave the access to parliament to frame a law, they will make laws. So process is that the things approach to the table of parliament and the things discussed, then if it is beneficial, voting, after voting, it will become a proposal and sent to the standing committee to re-observe all these things, and then it will become law. Then unpopular and controversial law. Right now, we all are facing one problem on the farmers' bill. 3 bills were introduced, and these 3 bills criticized by different political parties. Now, this kind of laws known as controversial laws. People, they haven't want these laws. The citizens, they want the changes in the laws. So, in that situation, it will known as controversial laws. Now, in this chapter, we will also read about Sanitation Act 1870. During the British rule, if someone is criticizing the British government without legal reason, he or she can criticize, but if the things and evidence those were presented in front of the court was not appropriate, then court can take the action against him or her. Second bill which we read in this chapter, Hindu Succession Act 2005. Before that, only the male have the part in ancestors' property, but with the Hindu Succession Act 2005, sisters can take the part in the property of fathers and forefathers. So Hindu Succession Act, this was a milestone. Then Domestic Violence Act 2005, to the storyboard, we know that that the females were harassed at their home and they cannot appeal in front of anyone, or they cannot complain in front of anyone. So Domestic Violence Act was introduced in 2005 to stop violence against females, and it was a great thing that this was the demand from 1990s, and it was fulfilled in 2005. So in this chapter we will study about these 3 points. Do law apply to all? Yes. How do the new law comes about? With the forum of the parliament, the topics discussed, and if the 2/3 majority agreed with the things, or the majority agreed with the things, then it was sent to the drafting committee and they draft the laws. Unpopular and controversial laws, you can give the example of Farmers Bill. It is unpopular and controversial because 2 sections doesn't want this bill. Then 3 acts we studied. Sanitation Act 1870. It was at the time of British rule. Hindu Succession Act. Through this act, the females also have the part in the fathers and forefathers property. Domestic Violence Act, that it was the act to stop the domestic violence, harassment of the females at the home. So again, I am revising the points. Listen carefully that what we studied in this chapter. Do laws apply to all? Yes, the Constitution established the rule of law. All persons in independent India are equal before law. All laws apply equally to all citizens. Any crime of violation of the law has a specific punishment. In the ancient India, there was innumerable and overlapping local laws, but with the Indian Penal Code, all laws treated equally. After the independent India, all laws treated equally. The British law of Sedition Act, which we discussed right now, 1870, a set of perfect example of arbitraries. Under the act, the person protesting or criticizing the British government could be arrested without due trial. So criticism was not allowed. Indian nationalists began protesting against criticizing the arbitrary use of authority by the Britishers. They began fighting for greater equality, and in the 19th century, we are getting the greater equality. That Hindu Succession Amendment Act 2005, according to this law, sons, daughters and their mothers can get an equal share of family property. How do the new law come about? The parliament has an important role in making laws. The issue of different things discussed in the parliament forum, and after the discussion, voting, and after the voting, it will become the law. Example, the Domestic Violence Act 2005 was implemented to protect women from being abused and injured by men. It was for the wives, mothers, sisters, and everyone. The role of the citizen is crucial in helping the frame of laws with the articles, writing, magazines, TV, newspaper, everywhere. Now, sometime unpopular and controversial laws also introduced in different part of the countries. So just the Farmers Bill is the example of unpopular law. Okay, students. So this is the outline of this chapter. Thank you.